Hello everyone, in this video we are going to walk you through on how to install and set up your iContact action automation for workflow app in your sub account. Once you're in your sub account, you're going to head over to App Marketplace, you search for your app and click on it. Click on install, then click on allow and install. Once your app has been successfully installed, you're going to refresh your tab and then click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to your Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. Under the setup, here it shows our app having yet been connected. But no worries, I'm going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online, click on your profile, click on Settings and Billing. Under the Setting and Billing menu, you're going to scroll down and click on iContact Integration. Click Create. The necessary credentials are going to pop up. You're going to copy your application ID, head over to your sub account, click on Start Setup, paste it here, back to your account, copy your email, head over to your sub account, go back to your account online, copy your password, here. Go back to your account. We need access to our account ID. Head over to your sub account. Then you paste it here. Go back to your account online. Copy your client folder ID. Head over to your sub account. And when you're done, you click on Complete Setup. It shows your app is successfully connected. Equally, we have the support center where you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can actually book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you will see the necessary notifications or the necessary updates concerning the apps. And to receive this notification, you have to on the notification button. You enter your email and then you click on subscribe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. And remember, our support team is available 24/7 to give you extra help. Thank you so much for watching this video.